Hello and welcome back to another episode of Words Well Read, where words rule and we make learning fun. Today, we are going to learn about two words that are as different as apples and oranges. First up, let's talk about genteel. Genteel. Genteel means belonging to upper class or being refined in manners. For example, the restaurant had a genteel atmosphere. To remember the word genteel, you can think of a fancy tea party with delicate porcelain cups and saucers. That's pretty genteel, right? Here's a sentence example. The Queen's genteel demeanor was admired by all. Before we move on to our next word, here is a simple riddle for you. What has a neck but no head? Leave your answer in the comments below. Now, let's move on to our second word, which is rabble. Rabble. Rabble means a disorderly crowd or mob. For example, the protesters formed into a rabble outside the courthouse. To remember the word rabble, you can imagine a bunch of rowdy teenagers hanging out on the street making noise and causing trouble. Or imagine a group of kids playing and shouting in a park without any order. Here's a sentence example. The rabble outside the stadium caused a disturbance during the game. So, there you have it. Genteel and rabble. Two words that are as different as night and day. That's all for today's episode of Words Well Read. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fun with words. Thanks for watching.